Showers. Unseasonably warm with lows around 60.
It's time.
Chance of rain 40%. And Tuesday,
It's
mostly
time.
cloudy with the chance of showers in the morning. Then partly cloudy with the chance of showers in the afternoon.
We'll be getting today.
Highs in the mid-70s.
Why are they always on
Chance
Wednesday?
of rain 50%.
Who knows?
Here is a hazardous weather outlook for Fayette, Franklin, and Union counties in Indiana and Butler, Clinton. At 10 a.m. Indianapolis. Thunderstorms will be possible today. A few storms may produce damaging wind gusts and hail. In addition, rain will be heavy at times. There will be the potential for isolated flooding issues tonight. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thunderstorms will be possible on Thursday. A few storms may produce damaging wind gusts. In addition, rain will be heavy at times. There will be the potential for isolated flooding issues. Patchy frost will be possible Friday night into Saturday morning. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Here is a hazardous weather outlook for Dearborn, Ohio, Ripley, and Switzerland counties in Indiana, and Boone, Bracken, Campbell, Carroll, Gallatin. Was mostly sunny. At this time. Hamilton counties in Ohio. For today and tonight. Thunderstorms will be possible today. A few storms may produce damaging wind gusts and hail. In addition, rain will be heavy at times. There will be the potential for isolated flooding issues tonight. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Thunderstorms will be possible on Thursday. A few storms may produce damaging wind gusts. In addition, rain will be heavy at times. There will be the potential for isolated flooding issues. Spotter activation is not expected at this time.
2 p.m.
And now here are the river stage forecasts for selected rivers in Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. The forecasts and stages are valid at 8 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time each day.
Of 2 to 4 inches
Now
will be
looking at the
possible
weather
across the
patterns
watched
affecting
area.
the southern Great Lakes
A
and
flash
Ohio
flood
Valley
watch
region.
means that conditions may
Multiple
develop.
rounds of showers and thunderstorms will move across the area today into in southwest Indiana, Davies, flash flood for Friday through most of the weekend before showers and thunderstorms return to the region by early next week. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest Ohio, southeast Indiana, and northern Kentucky, including the greater Cincinnati tri-state area. Rest of today, cloudy. Showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Tonight, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Then showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Unseasonably warm with lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, becoming south after midnight.
Test.
Chance of rain from 2 p.m. Tonight. Highs around 70. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Chance of rain 100%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers after midnight. Cooler. Less mud issued. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio. Kentucky, Henderson, and Franklin. For the Columbus cloudy areas. And showers with a chance.
Scare the crap out of me.
This is the National Weather Service.
Here we
Office
go!
in Ohio. South winds. Gusts up to Covington, Kentucky. Public warning system.
Okay.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard.
that way.
Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the
Here we
warning alarm
go.
tone, will vary at any given location.
Monday night,
This variability
cloudy with a chance of showers.
at greater distances from the transmitter can occur even though you chance of rain 40%.
Here we go.
And Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers in the morning, then partly cloudy with a chance of showers in the afternoon. This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KTZ 42 Kentucky public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National
Holy
Weather
crap.
Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday.
You might not be able to hear, but there it is.
Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Kentucky. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. Variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in Indiana: Bartholomew, Decatur, Jackson, Jennings, Johnson, Ripley, Scott, and Shelby. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station WWG 73. At Frankfurt, it was... In northwest Kentucky, Ohio. In south central Kentucky. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards in south central Indiana and north central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 p.m. and local time. When there is a threat for existing severe weather in the area, may produce and postpone until the next available non-severe hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Louisville on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In south central Indiana, Clark,
There's the wind.
Finally, in Evansville Fair in central Kentucky through Thursday evening, clusters of showers at Kentucky International Airport, 79 degrees under cloudy skies. Flash flood watch.
What?
The flash flood warning for Jefferson County in central Kentucky until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Flash flood warning.
At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated
Hold on. There it is.
producing heavy rain.
Oh wait, I just get on here.
Between 1 and
Sunday night and a good chunk of next week as well. So timing those.
highway, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Dublin Hills, Prospect and Earthsburg. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Other drainage areas and low-lying spots.